Good morning students. Black 21 to 22 grade 7 topic Physical Geography of North America and North America Resources and Development. Students, next you learn the aim. What is the aim of in this lesson? Able to explain the location, size and area of North America. Explain the features of different physical regions of North America and explain the factors that affect the climate of North America. Students, next you learn the keywords. Today keywords are straight, temperate, isthmus, hot springs, ice age, geographical. Students, today we will learn about the location of North America in the world. I asking one question, so listen. If you want to go to the United States of America from India, in which direction would you travel? Which water bodies would you have to cross? Which coast of USA will you reach first? Did you know, students? Yes. From India, we have to travel westward to reach North America. We would cross the Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and the East Pacific Ocean. We will land on its east coast. Students, next you see the map. Continents in Northern Hemisphere. In which hemisphere is North America located? Did you know, students? Yes, North America is located in the northern and western hemispheres. Students, and then next question. How many continents and how many oceans in the world? There are 7 continents and 5 oceans in the world. And then next question, students. What is the shape of North America? The continent is broad in the north and it tapers down towards the south. Explain the North America. North America located between Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, being straight, separates it from Asia. Most part of it falls in the temperate zone. Isthmus of Panama connects North and South America. It is the third largest continent in the world. Area is more than 19 meters square kilometer. Students, next you will learn the physiographic regions. I asking one question, students. So listen. What does a mountain range mean to you? What are some famous mountain ranges of the world? Did you know, students? Yes, a series of folded land masses forming peaks and valleys is called a mountain range. The Rockies, the Andes and the Himalayas are all large mountain ranges in the world. Students, I asking one question, so listen. What are the 2 important mountain systems of North America? The answer is the Rockies and the Appalachian Mountains are the 2 important mountain systems. Students, next you learn the what are the physical divisions of North America. Physical features of North America are the Western Cordilleras, the Appalachian or the Eastern Highlands, the Canadian Shield, the Central Lowlands or the Prairies. Students, next you learn the climate. I asking one question, students. So listen. Do you think the whole of North America has the same kind of climate? Why? Did you know, students? Yes, the whole of North America cannot have the same climate due to its large extent and different physical features. Every region is influenced by different geographical factors which affect its climate. And the next question, what are the 4 factors that affected the climate of North America? Did you know, students? Yes, the mainly 4 factors affecting the climate. They are size of the continent, relief features, prevailing winds, ocean currents. Students, next you learn the resources and development. Students, what economic activity do you think would be carried out in the fertile plains of a river basin? Did you know, students? Yes, farming is the main activity in the fertile plains of a river basin, as the plains have a ready source of water nearby. A variety of crops can be grown in these fertile plains. Brief. Today we will learn about the farming practices in the prairies of North America. What are the natural resources that give the US an economic advantages? Temperate climates and fertile agricultural land. A large land mass under one nation lowers the cost of services and products. Many freshwater sources. A diverse population brings innovation and new ideas to business. Students, next you learn what are the different types of minerals found in North America. Iron ore, coal, silver, uranium, copper, gold and petroleum oil. These are some minerals found in North America. These are also some important resources development in North America. Finally, thank you, students. You are observing the video and complete the worksheet.